Hi, everybody. My name is Darren Steinman, and I am teaching journalism at Salina Central High School as part of the Transition to Teaching program. Central is a school of about 2,000 students. It's a 5A school in north central Kansas. I originally was a newspaper journalist, and that's what I went to school to study. I have a bachelor's degree in journalism from KU, and currently working on my master's in education from Fort Hays. Um, I basically teach journalism and photography, and also I'm the advisor to the newspaper. So it's a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying it quite a bit. Let's see, my strengths and weaknesses in technology. I've really enjoyed working with the technology so far. I find Google Classroom especially really easy to work with and making my job a lot easier and a lot more efficient. Once you come up with a lesson plan, you can transfer it from semester to semester, year to year, and you're not kind of reinventing the wheel every year or trying to figure out where you put the lesson plan for this or that. It's all right there, very organized, and from semester to semester, it's really easy to follow. Also, just the different things like Google Slides, Google Docs are right there for the students to be able to use. I almost never use paper for anything that I do. I've probably had two assignments that involve paper in the year and a half that I've been doing this. Um, so for me, it's been a great thing. There are several things that I don't know that I'd like to learn. I've heard a lot about Kahoot. I've heard a lot about Flipgrid. I have not used those much really at all. I haven't learned how to use those yet. But I do use, for example, Quizlet. We just had final exams, and I used Quizlet to do review for my classes, and then we did Quizlet Live, and we did like kind of like a game show where I projected it on my screen, and people got into teams and made it more competitive and more fun. So I see technology as something that's exciting and fun to use, although it is frustrating when you want to learn something and you don't know how to use it, or something is a little bit difficult to pick up. But overall, it's technology's been a great thing. Um, what I'd like to get out of this class is just learning more. I know there's so much out there. I know that I know probably less than 1% of what there is to know about educational technology, and I know there's just a lot that could enhance even more what I'm already doing. So I'm really looking forward to that. Looking forward to getting to know all of you and learning a lot in this class. So thanks for listening. Have a great day.